Hi, this is Bailey from Becoming Famous, and today I'm going to do a video on a song that my dad made up. It's called Lady of the Lake, and it was never posted on YouTube or anything, so it's not really well known, but I loved it. It was a really good song. Okay, here it goes. When she came to me, I was just a restless dreamer. I was young, I was wild, and I was free. Sun the Atlantic coastline, those shores go on forever. Left my homeland to board the MS Ecstasy. Just like a rainbow rising, her eyes were hypnotizing me. Lady of the lake, mistress of the deep blue ocean, stay for just a while, oh, 'cause you make me smile. Lady of the lake, sailing on to Argentina, go your way, but maybe think of me someday. She was a mystery, my picture-perfect fantasy. She was young, she was wild, and she was free. And when we made love, how our bodies moved together. Will she come again, like a river to the sea? Looks like the tide is turning, I'll be forever yearning. Lady of the lake, mistress of the deep blue ocean, stay for just a while, oh, whoa, 'cause you make me smile. Lady of the lake, sailing on to Argentina, go your way, but maybe think of me someday. Go your way, I know we'll meet again someday. Okay, that was it. So please comment on how you liked it and if you thought it was good. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.